Hi, thank you for joining me on my channel again. It's good to see you having your eyes on this channel. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare this simple okra recipe. You might have even known how to do it, but I'm going to show you how I do it from beginning to end in my own way, from how I'm going to crush this okra to the washing and everything. Of course, know that these vegetables come from different sources, so you have to actually and to wash my vegetable okra. So here is it. Put my warm water, and then I prefer using this little salt to also wash it. I know you can use vinegar, you can use the other things you can actually use, but I prefer using salt since that is what I have at home to wash it. Then I give it another rinse. Now I am going to cut it. I don't have my grater here, so the easiest and the fastest means is to cut and blend it. So I'm going to cut it into pieces, and I will use my blender to give it a very little blend so that it can still be a little bit rough. So right here is my already cut okra. Okra is a very good vegetable. It falls in class of vegetable, very good for the body. So if you are looking at living healthy, losing weight, okra should be one of your go-to. So I don't have a I don't have a grater now, so I'm going to use my blender, which is also very fast. This is it. Then I'm also going to add this. In Hausa, in the north, they call it Dawadawa. It's just like your locust bean. You know, locust beans is so very good because it's kind of like fermented. So it's good for your guts. And your guts is one of the most important places of your body you need to take care of so that your body can be healthy. So I'm going to be putting this in so it can blend together with my okra. Then I put in a little water. And then it's ready for blending. Do you want to see the blending process? I'm sure we all know how it is when it's blended. So just watch out what happens next. Here you have it, okra blended so fast. In fact, I should be using this method now to blend my okra. I'm not going to grate in this because it is just very fast. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to right away to cook my okra. Hope you're excited. Okay, so in a pot of boiling water, I like to dissolve my salt. So I just put in a little bit of salt, not much. A little bit of salt. Then I'll put in my spices. For this particular one here, I have crayfish and they call it what's the name? Okpehe is just like Irutu or Dawadawa, but I think the most people that use it are the Igbos. And so crayfish already mixed and my Okpehe. Then I have my mixed spices also, just a little, not much, just a little of my mixed spices, a mixture of all natural spice, so good for the body. Then I love adding pepper to my to my meals. So I'll just add a little of yaji. Yeah, a little yaji, already mixed pepper in, and then allow it to simmer. allow it there for a while, and then I pour in my already blended okra inside. My okra, I pour it in. And I keep monitoring it for a while. If you are cooking your okra and you leave it, there's tendency that it can actually spill over. So you can have this with your stew. You don't leave it so much on fire because you don't want all the nutrients to be gone. You don't want all the nutrients to be gone. So this is it. You can have this. You can have this with eba, amala, pounded yam. I'm going to have it with acha swallow. Acha is a very good, healthy meal with any swallow of your choice. This is practically very, 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 very okay. So if you're wondering how do you want to know more about the spices I use, you can get to me. I'll give you some recommendation of spices. You can see that I didn't add seasoning cubes because I practically have stopped using seasoning cubes since I found out that I can use spices to make my food very okay and healthy. I have just a month ago, ditched seasoning cubes, and so spices have it all the way. So I'm going to leave it for the next 5 minutes and we are done. So practically, you don't need to add so much salt to your diet, just a moderate one, and then cooking it well will definitely make your food taste better and taste sweeter. Thank you for joining me on this channel today to learn how my own version of making okra. You can make it in your own way. Food is just creativity. I see food as an art. Food is creativity. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comments. If you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe and also share with your friends so that you keep getting more value, more valuable content, food content, business content, healthy living content, weight loss content on this space. Feel free to share, feel free to drop your message, and then I have a free gift for you on the information center. Go right there to the information center, click on the link and get your free ebook. So thanks for joining me on this channel. The next video is going to be so valuable, so don't forget to go there and watch till I come your way again. Remain blessed. Bye.